Stopping player movement when hitting a wall or an item or an obstacle seems relatively straightforward, and it is, right? To some degree. I got my rigid body and my collider. I got a collider here, so when I hit it, I boom, right? I stop. However, this is a problem, right? That's not how any game would work. Mario, you just stop. You don't get to repeatedly bash against a wall. So there's actually a really elegant and simple solution to this, and it involves the frame rate. So I'm going to go ahead and hit play on that. Let's head over to code. The nice thing about this is all of this stuff involves my movement and my switching of the sprite based on it. I'm going to just change this to fixed update. Fixed update means there's a set interval of frames, right? So kind of like a flip book. So maybe it's 30 frames a second, maybe it's 24, but that set interval of frames allows, when using a rigid body, for more predictable behavior. So let's go ahead now and hit play, and same alien friend, same wall, and dead stop. Nothing we can do. Boom, right? How obstacles and objects would actually work in the real world. So don't worry about trying to write a function for set collider like I originally did. All you need is, well, is a fixed update, giving us the predictability of a stable frame rate. Ta-da!